Hello and welcome to your own YouTube channel Let's Learn Computer. Today we will learn about a WordPad. WordPad is a program that is specially used for typing your text on a computer, which has many features that you use to make your work more beautiful and attractive. To start a WordPad, we have some steps that is shown in the picture by the arrows. First of all, you have to click on the Start button and then click on the All Programs and then click on Accessories. Now click on MS Word option. The window which I have shown in the pictures, that is of window 7. And then when you click on the MS Word, the next picture which is showing you the application window, that is of WordPad. It's a WordPad window which have a workspace that is white area and have a frame around it. Then when you open a WordPad window, it has many parts. That is, first of all, at the top there is a title bar given. Then we have a quick access toolbar which have shortcuts of some commands like undo, redo, save and many more. Then on a title bar again we have three buttons more, that is a close button, maximize button and minimize button. Below the title bar we have a ribbon. This is called a ribbon where we have our tabs and menus of that tabs. This is called the blue button which is shown here. This is called a WordPad button or file tab. Then we have two tabs in our WordPad window, that is a home tab and view tab. It has another menu options which we can use in our work to do our work more, to give more options on that. Then we have a insertion point. The title bar is the place where the name of the document is displayed, like here is displayed document WordPad. Whenever we open our WordPad window, the default name comes here, document, and when you save your document with another name, that will appear here. Then we have a insertion point. You can see the blinking line. This is an insertion point from where you can type your text. Like shown in this picture, this is a starting point from where you can type your text. Then we have to save our document after doing our work. So first of all, click on this file tab or window tab which I have shown you earlier. There is a save option given here. When you click on it, the next window will appear. This is called a small wizard. This where you have to type your name of the document and then click on the save button to save your document which you have right just now. Then how to open a saved document? If you want to open your saved document after some days or a month or a year ago, you can also open it and use it again by clicking on open button given in the file tab again below the save option. Then when you click on the open button, it will give you the name of the files which you want to open. Then click on that file or write the name of the file here and click on the open button. You will see that your window will appear of that document. Then we have another option, that is selecting text in a document. Whenever you want to make changes on your document, you have to select that. So if you want to select a single word, then you place your cursor on that word and double click on that. It will select only a single word. If you want to select a line, then you have to place your cursor at the selection area which is before the starting line of your sentence. Then you have to single click here and your whole line will get selected. Then next, if you want to select a paragraph, you have to triple click on the paragraph. You can place your cursor anywhere, like here or anywhere you can place your cursor and triple click. It will select your paragraph. And long selection means if you select a number of lines or paragraphs in your document, you have to place your cursor at the starting point and hold your cursor and drag it on the paragraph and release the cursor. Then you will see that your selection is done with that part only which you want to select. Then you have a editing text option. Editing text option means whenever you want to changes on your text, like delete something, add something, or doing a small alphabets or capital alphabets, erase something from your document. That is means a changing that you have or editing your text. If like here the software word is given, if I want to change it from another word, so I first have to delete it and add the another word. This is called editing option. And how to delete? First select the sentence or a word which you want to delete and press the delete key from the keyboard. Then bold, italic, underline text is used to emphasize your information in your document. This is called formatting. Formatting means when you do your text more attractive by giving some options in the home tab, given in the home tab. So bold means when you want your text thicker and bigger. Italic means when you want your text a little tilt, like given in this screen bold. The B button I means italic and it is little tilt, and underline means you want to underline your word. These are options given in the home tab in font group. BINU. B means bold, I italic, U means underline. This example has given of the word bold option and underline option. Italic is not done here because it is not tilted. Then you can change the font of the text also by clicking on the font style option given in the home tab font group again. You can change the font style of your font. Font means the text which you have written in your WordPad window. You can change the style of your text from here. Then you can change the size of the text also by clicking on the size button given in the font group again. You can select any size of your word of your text to enhance it. Then you can change the text of the color also by clicking on the change color option by selecting your text first of all and click on the color which you want to give on your text. Then exiting WordPad. How to close your WordPad window? By clicking on the File tab and exit WordPad. The another option is that click on the close button which is on the title bar. And this is all in this chapter. Thanks.